So, ito guys, yung papuntang Gateway or Alimol, no? Tapos dito is papuntang Boni Serrano. Yan. Tapos ito yung property. Ito, property. Yan, pasok ka. Parang it's a 4 unit, no? Townhouse development. This is their garage. And then ito yung mga single actually double parking garage siya. So ito, yung development. Ito, so ganda ng bahay, oh. Ganda ng finish. Ganda ng structural design niya. Glass balcony. Makikita natin yan, glass balcony. Pasokin natin mamaya. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So ayan, 6 doors. Ay hindi, 5 doors lang pala. Ayan siya. So hanggang likod. Ayan, gagawa. Hanggang dito. May gumagawa dito. Ito yung dulong unit F. Ayan. So, punta tayo doon. Tingnan natin yung model house. Tara. So, ayan, tara. Pasok tayo. So, about entrance, no? 3 stairs papunta sa taas. Tingnan natin. Ayan. So, this is the model unit. Ayan. So, upon landing yung living room and dining area, tapos dito na rin yung kitchen nila. So this is a 52 square meter lot area, and then 180 yung ganyan niya, yung floor area. So yan yung, so I suppose this is the common toilet and bath. Yan siya. And this, I think, is the maid's quarters or pantry. Yan. So, may sampayan, fire exit. So, yan yung kitchen niya. May mga quartz na rin siya. Ito, range wood provision. And yung, ano to, induction cooktop. So, ayan. So, okay tayo sa third floor. So, the third floor, ayan. Ganda ng painting, oh. Ganda ng design. So, ito yung idea, no? Kapag sa light ng stairway, pwede mo lagyan ng hanging or chandelier. So, first bedroom. Yan. Ito yung first bedroom niya. May sariling cabinet. Ganda ng cabinet. Custom built yung cabinet, no? And then, may window. Although, walang balcony. Yan. Punta tayo ngayon sa kabila naman. So, natin ilaw. Yan. So, here is yung common toilet and bath nila. So, yan. Yung common toilet and bath. Yung mga bedrooms sa third floor. Yan siya. May shower set na rin. Yung toilet and lavatory. Ito naman yung medicine cabinet. Ayan, ganda ng medicine cabinet. Ito tayo sa isang bedroom. So here is another bedroom. Ayan. So, yan. May cabinet na rin siya dito. Tapos yung setup ng bed, ganyan siya. Then, provision for aircon. So, split type. Ang ma-recommend to. Kasi may glass window. So, here's another bedroom. This is the master's bedroom. Yan. May built-in cabinets na rin. And glass window. Yan. So, yan siya. Tapos, ito yung master's bedroom, toilet and bath. May sariling closet din, no? Sa loob ng bathroom. For hanger. Yan. For toiletries, towels, like that. Then, ito yung shower niya. Shower area. Yan. May window din siya dyan. So, yung lavatory. Ganda ng quartz. May built-in cabinets na rin. So, yeah, that's it, guys. If you're interested with this property, you may message me on my contact numbers provided on the description below. Thank you and see you.